Now, having discussed the binary representation of octal and hexadecimal number, now let us come to the portion of conversion. Now, here you can see in this table I have done the conversion of binary into decimal, octal and hexadecimal. Now, in this table you can see this is binary, and the method to convert a binary number into decimal is this. Now, when you have to convert a binary number into decimal, you have to put powers of 2 from back like this: 2 raised to power 0, then 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3 and so on. Let us look at it with the help of an example. You can see there is a question, and question is 101101 in binary has to be converted into decimal, octal and hexadecimal. So, let us first see how to convert this binary into decimal. Now, as per the procedure, I copied the number again and put the powers of 2 from back. So, 2 raised to power 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Okay. Now, after writing these powers, what we do? We first need to, we actually have to multiply these 2 raised to power 5 and 2 raised to power 4. These powers have to be multiplied with their respective number. But as you know that whenever you multiply anything with 0, then it evaluates to 0 only. So, we simply cancel out the numbers where the binary value is 0. So, that is why I have cut 2 raised to power 4 because it will be multiplied with 0 and result into 0. Then 2 raised to power 1 is also cut because of this 0. Now, what are the remaining? 2 raised to power 5 into 1, which is 2 raised to power 5 only. Then 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 0. All these 4 will be added and the corresponding number is written, and after adding you can see the result. So, for converting a binary number into decimal, you put the powers of 2 from back and carry out the same procedure like we did here. Okay. Now, after this, how to convert a binary into octal? For this, you have to first of all copy down the binary number which is given in the question, and then you have to make groups of 3 from back and write corresponding octal number for each group and then combine. Means right now you have seen how to convert a binary number into its corresponding octal in the table like we saw. So, what we can do? We have to make groups of 3. So, see what I have done here. I have made group of 3 from back. First of all, I made this group and then I made this group. And after this, what we have to do? Write corresponding octal number for each group. So, 101 is for 5, 101 is for 5. Now, you combine these two to give the answer. So, this number in octal is represented by 55. Now, same is the procedure for converting binary into hexadecimal. For this, what you have to do? See, again you have to make group, but groups of 4 from back, because hexadecimal number is represented in binary using 4 digits. So, you have to make group of 4 from back and write corresponding hexadecimal. Now, look at the question. See, I copied the question, and then when I started making groups from back, I saw that the first group is having 4 elements, but the second group that I was making is lacking 2 elements, because I needed to make group of 4, but there are only 2 digits available. So, what we will do for this? We will increase 2 zeros in the beginning to make a group of 4. As you know that increasing 0 in the beginning will not have any effect on the actual number which is given. So, we increase 0 and we make the group. Now, after making the group, what has to be done? Write corresponding hexadecimal. You can refer to the table that we discussed previously. 0010 stands for 2 and 1101 stands for D. Now, you combine it and this will be the answer. So, these are the procedure to convert binary into decimal, octal and hexadecimal. There is one more way. If you don't want to refer to the table, there is one more way. You have already seen how to convert this binary into decimal. So, you can apply the same procedure here to write the corresponding decimal.